Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and now we're going to speak about what can be the next biggest trend in cryptocurrency. We have had memes the whole cycle, they were outperforming the whole market, and of course Bitcoin always strong as the king. But now we got something new in the game, which is AI agents. And of course they are not something created yesterday. It's been a bit of time where we we heard about them, and especially I'm gonna make this video now because I think it's a trend where we can take advantage of. I'm up more than 100% in some of the AI agent plays in the last 2-3 days. Whoever bought early, some AI agents are 10x, 20x, okay, and so I think it's a really good area for you to focus, and we're gonna explain here why and what is it for. So I would like you to take this thing with me. So here it's a little bit of research that I made. It's on my Twitter. If you want to follow, go there, Strategy Phil. So AI Agent Explained, all right? They are computer programs designed to autonomously perform tasks or make decisions based on their programming and the information they gave from their environment. So they can be used as posts. You have a lot of AI agents making posts on X. They can be used on social media. Anything that you can make. It's like they perform autonomously. So what they do, they don't depend on anyone to make decisions. And we even have some, of course, prototypes, some AI agents for investments, which they can take decisions based on market conditions, and that's what we're gonna talk about today. That's why it's really insane, I would say to you, a technology that can do that. I think it will be really hard to trade against against this if that really happen. Okay, and so they're proactive, adaptive, and they function with minimal intervention. So you don't need a lot of things around. You just give one information and the AI agent can do the task by itself. And of course, I have here some projects pointed at the bottom here, which I was looking for, and you can give them instructions. Well, for example, we have Vader, which is a AI agent based for to get market conditions, as AX bit here by Virtuals. It's a crypto market intelligence platform, so they give some marketing sites. Okay, we have some of them are for structures as game. We have Acolyte. We have a lot of projects coming, and that's what I want to show you now. And the ones that are calling my attention, it's really those ones here, Virtuals, because it's like the it's the place where you create AI agents, so give all the infrastructure to those agents to be created. All right, so that's why it's you can build them on Virtuals. That's why it's really nice, and Virtual is pumping insane. I'll go to the chart to give you an example why I think this will keep, not it's the trend now, but we're gonna keep working on this throughout 2025. And of course AI 16Z, which is a ventures capital DAO. Okay, that's something that it's really calling my attention. Zero Bro as well, which can create and distribute content on social media, all right, which lots of them do. And that's something where you should really look at. Okay, that being said, if you want more context about it, I have more content about this, more well explained, so you can go in my Twitter at StrategyPhil, and you can have a look about it, all right, for your research. And let's go about what matters now. I will show you, all right? First, let me go to virtual, and I will show you how the trend is strong, all right? Here. Look how this asset is performing, okay? Since let me go to the daily chart here, because I wanna, that's scary, okay? Because this asset, it's performing so good during this year, all right? So yeah, my friends, I wanna you to have a look here and see. So no, let's get 1st of November here. I don't want to go to, okay, on the 3rd of November, virtual was 33 cents, okay, on the 1st of November. Now it's sitting at 430, all right, 430 cents, and the all-time high was here at 520. So it's really skyrocketing, more than 10x in 2 months. So it's absurd, all right? It's something that is really outperforming. And you had some agents, AI agents on virtual that, if you invested early, I think perform even better, all right? Even better, okay? But this is virtual. It's like the hospital where those virtual machines are born, and that's one of the main projects with in the creation of AI agent, with this other one here, which is AI 16Z, all right, which performed really well as well. Not as good as virtual, but it's really having a good performance, which was actually good because I really took profit over here. I really took profit at the top this time. That's good. Love it. And what I think those projects have, those are the ones that I think they are the biggest ones in the market for market cap, and they are meant to create AI agents, all right? And I think this chain, this one it's on Solana, but the chain that's really cooking AI agents, it's Base, all right? They are all on Base chain, which it's from Coinbase, okay? And it's really outperforming everything. That's why virtuals, it's so it's a so really nice project where you can do things on top of it, and you can also make create AI agents, of course. Yeah, that's one detail that I want to talk to you about it. But just the virtuals here, in terms of returns, it's literally killing it, all right? I wish I had my attention on it before, but yeah, it is what it is. And that happens a lot. I didn't expect that the virtuals would run so hardly, but yeah, it is what it is. And even Binance, some month ago, they gave a report about AI agents. No one was look at it. I look at the time, and we have some prototypes of agents on Solana, like Goat was I believe was the first one to skyrocket, which it was posting by itself the term of truth. They pumped the Goat a lot, and yeah, that's about in a price ways, in a price action. I think it's really nice. Now a bit of correction, and but I think that will be the hottest trend for the next days. And then what I want to go here through with you is, my friend, I want to go to the place where this is the Virtual's website, all right? And I want to go through with you about all those agents here. So at the very top here, you can't see because of the screen, but you can create a new agent. Let me, okay. And I think that's why you should be careful. Not all these agents here, they have a, let's say, a technology, okay, and that's why you should look always and research about it before keep buying. But I have some that are interesting here that I would like to share with you. Gain is one, okay, which AI Xbit, which is a crypto market research mastermind here, and then this one has one of the biggest market caps, okay. Here Vader is special because I even made a research about Vader. So Vader is an investment DAO, all right, which enable users to invest in a narrative, invest in another agents, or without rolling up the sleeves, without put their hands on it. And of course, it's an investment DAO with AI agents. It's like a decentralized organization where a group of people pool their money, and then the AI agents will help to make financial decisions or whatever. Of course, it's something that I haven't seen work yet as a project. It's a very good idea. All right, I think it can change the market structure. It can so in thesis it will analyze investments opportunities, market trends, and whatever. So that's a good one. That's why I think Vader it's a really good option on it, because you have a lot of those agents and they are launching most of them. One thing that will help you to look to the ones that have the biggest market cap over here, which are the first ones to be launched. But before aping anything, just make sure that you research about those agents, because people, of course, as it becomes the trend, people will start to create agents, and you don't know the technology, you don't know the project, you don't know if there is something behind it. But it's looking like Solana trenches, okay. You can even connect your phantom wallet over here and start aping on agents and prototypes. We have another one which is here. You can go for sentiment agents and prototype agents, okay. And here you have, for example, there is one that I was looking at. A friend of mine told me, and then I start looking at, I think was Dora, yeah. So you can see here you have a plenty of Dora AI. Was at was this one, but you see that the volatility is huge, all right. So it's something that you should really of course look at before you do anything, and always take profits aggressively in any kind of things. When I look at it, was 5 when my friend Silva told me, which is a smart guy, and then it went to it was with 5 million market cap, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and then it went to 20 market 20 million market cap, which is an increase of 5x. And then of course now is sitting at 10 again. So it's something that will really give some kind of some kind of volatility for you. But of course it's a nice way for you to be ahead if you research here and you keep researching about AI agents. We started the meme thing with Pepe, then we went to Dogwith, and after Goat. Then you understand that if this trend keeps on, we're gonna have a lot of tokens pumping from here, especially because Basechain, it's a chain where they use Ethereum, and then they build Basechain, and from Coinbase. So I think there is a meaning behind, okay, especially because you have Coinbase. They are one of the leaders of the market with Binance. And yeah, especially that's what I want to show you here today. All right, everything that you need to get your agent. Some of them are on exchange already, okay, because they want to be out of it. But majority are not, okay. The ones that I bought was Vader, Game, AXP. I bought it, yeah, was even good. Took profit in all of those, all right. And then from Solana, I want to show you this guy here, which is Zerbro, all right, which you can use on Solana, which has a really good performance since November. Let me see how much it increased. So I'll give you, since November, we have a 6,000% increase over here, okay? 6,000% increase from Zerbro, okay? So these are some of those, all right? Here on, you have some AI agents, Mimi, which is Fartcoin. It's really mixed up, okay? But it's one thing that you can use for your, not for your research, but always look at, okay? Be inside of the trend. And then, of course, the idea is be early on the trend. If it turns into what was the meme season, so this trend will take a long to get out. But of course, the safest bet is always take profit. And as the out season is not here yet, where altcoins will pump, all right. So the best thing to do, instead of being with a lot of big altcoins positions, and hopefully do 10x, 5x, as what some people think about it, it's better you take your time, invest in what the trend is, because I think you can perform even better, all right, if you give attention to the trend while it's early. And I think we still are in early stages, but you have a lot of people that invested like 3 months ago, so 2 months ago, so they are really ahead of whoever is buying anything now. But you know, that's the trend is there, and that's a gift for you, okay? That's a gift for me, and that's why you're gonna hear a lot of videos on YouTube, people talking about AI agents, and that's my first video of 2025, okay? And of course, in the future here, we research more. We're gonna give, especially on my Twitter, my X, okay, not Twitter, X. I will start posting about some of those, and let's see. The trend is your friend, all right? So thank you. See you next.